Good morning, crypto. Hope you're doing fantastic. Today, we're going to check out the next 10 to 100x meme coin. In my opinion, if you're new to the channel, slap that subscribe button, like, and comment, and let me know what cryptos you are buying today. Meme coins are clearly doing great things during the crypto bear market. We can see Doge Chain is up, Vita Inu is up, Husky is up, and many others. So meme coins certainly hold their value as NFTs, and the metaverse is an ever-growing sector. So let's look at this next meme coin I want to share with you, because I'm a big believer of pre-sales, and they do super well, most of them, before they get deployed on the main centralized and decentralized exchanges. So the one is going to be, some of you might know about this, but for the newcomers here, I want to share with you, and full disclosure, I am a holder of this project, but it's Tamadoge, guys, and we've got some nice news around this today, so stick around. Watch the video. Let's do a little bit of an update and see what's going on with Tamadoge as we enter September. By the way, speaking of September, I want to tell you why I think this is important. This is my Discord. You can join below, by the way. Why it's important? Well, September is usually a bearish month, as we can see indicated by this chart. September Bitcoin monthly returns is usually down, right? So the pre-sale is set to hopefully sell out around October. So Q4, early Q4 in that September, October region. Now, why is this bullish for me? Because if we do get that bullish reversal for cryptocurrency in October, which is a very good chance, as we can see displayed by the Bitcoin monthly returns, then I would imagine there will be a positive correlation between the pre-sale performance and the performance of the crypto market, even though usually pre-sales are slightly more independent, more dependent on the ICO marketing strategy and the amount of traction they gain and the community that is, of course, generated and nurtured through the pre-sale period. And we're seeing both at the moment. We're seeing a good chance of an October pump for crypto, and basically Tamadoge is also doing amazing at the moment. So more on Tamadoge. Let's have a look. What's happened? We looked at this a few weeks ago. Tamadoge had around a 5-6 million raised. Already it's got $8.5 million raised in just 4 weeks. So it's selling out fast, and the price of Tamadoge per US dollar is going up in the pre-sale as time goes on. Security is, of course, absolute priority here. Fully audited by Solid Proof, verified by CoinSniper as well, so no dodgy rug pulls, nothing like that. And why do I love this meme coin? Well, firstly, it's a new one. It's completely fresh pre-sale. Nobody knows what's going to happen with the price yet. There are rumors it's going to launch its token sale price. I think at public it'll be $0.03. So if I'm correct, that means you're at profit if you got in nice and early on this pre-sale already. Tamadoge is unique and awesome because there's no taxation, there's no transaction fees. It's an ERC20 token. It's going to get deployed on Uniswap. After this, it's going to go on the L-Bank centralized exchange. It has a very small circulating supply of 2 billion. And in 2023, we're also going to see elements of the virtual reality and augmented reality for this play to earn meme coin as well. So metaverse partnerships, we're going to have more centralized exchange listing drives, play to earn arcade 2. And you can also nurture your own little doges. Like you can mint your own little NFTs, look after them, and climb the leaderboard. So super excited for this one, guys. I think it's going to be a super good performer. The last pre-sale we looked at on this channel did a 700% increase in price. So I'm going to show you now. My holdings is 169,000 Tamadoge. I bought those for about $3,300, and already, I mean, it's selling out quick. I'm just going to disconnect my wallet so we can see, but we've raised $9.567 million. $10.75 million will be the next tranche where the price of Tama goes up again. So you have to be quite quick if you want to get into this one soon. So Tamadoge certainly has a lot of unique selling points. I think it's going to do very well in its pre-sale. As soon as it goes to public sale, this will probably be a very groundbreaking ICO, and I guess it's going to be one of the top 10s in the future. I mean, mark my words, it probably won't, so don't hold me on that. It's not financial advice, but I do think Tamadoge has got massive things coming for it. So Tama is your native token, your gateway into the Tamaverse. So welcome on board, Tama Army. If you're new here, slap that subscribe button. I also did a bit of research actually, and they have their own Tamadoge YouTube channel right here, as you can see. Lead game developer has been exposed. They had a little interview, so we're just going to have a little look at this.
Docs member that's been announced, Thomas Seabrook. Thomas, how you doing?
I'm good, thanks.
Yeah. Do you know what I love about this world is that because of Web3, we get to do all these things online like this. Yeah. Imagine years ago it would have been actually just sitting at a nice office desk.
So this is Carl, the head of growth, I believe.
Yeah, so do you want to
Thomas Seabrook, the developer behind the game. So fully docs, fully transparent. I do like this.
your name and sort of.
We're not going to watch the whole video, but I just wanted to show you that they are being transparent as
I
well.
constantly have to check on what information I'm giving out when I'm doing AMAs and stuff, because it's yeah, I mean, we'd probably be hired by Xbox or PS5 to.
So yeah, this is pretty cool to see actually. Tamadoge going strong so far. Of course, they're getting lots of engagements, lots of healthy PR as well. They've also got a $100,000 giveaway, so do check that one out down below in my comment sections too, so you don't miss out on that. They're featured in many different big articles and news publishers as well, so the exposure is there, guys. And I suppose that's just what I want to share with you, that Tamadoge is moving quickly. So in order to guarantee a position, you have to get in quickly before it's completely sold out. Let's have a look at the Twitter page before we look at some other stuff. We can see the Tamadoge Twitter is at 49.3k followers. Welcome to the Tamaverse, a deflationary meme coin with utility. So check out all the Tama socials down below, guys. 9.5 million has been raised, which is another massive milestone for the team. This is crazy. Cannot wait to see what else is going to happen. So keep your eyes peeled, because Tamadoge is moving quickly. Also did a bit of research as well, just like Googling Tamadoge, and I found this interesting article. Martin Lewis Bitcoin price and energy price predictions. Could Tamadoge save winter in the UK? I mean, that's a bold statement, but let's have a look what it actually says. Tamadoge, new meme coin with minimal energy consumption. So basically it's got a super low carbon footprint, which is another benefit of Tamadoge. I'm not going to read through all of this, but I suppose it's nice that it's been recognized as a green token as well, because we don't really want to be tying ourselves to these notorious like energy consuming crypto projects basically that plaster all over the news. They get flooded like Bitcoin and Ethereum with their really, really high sort of energy consumption. So it's nice to see that this is actually a low cost one, and it's pretty ethical in terms of its carbon footprint. What else is there? I was searching for some price predictions. I wanted to see if anyone else had any thoughts on it. So despite gaining traction and exciting cryptocurrency enthusiasts, Tamadoge is yet to hit the market and get traded in open exchanges. However, people are already buying the crypto on the pre-sales according to the latest reports. Tamadoge has already sold over 9.5 million now, with further pre-sales expecting in the coming weeks. The traction of Tamadoge and the pre-sale data has led many to speculate that it might pose a real threat to other meme coins such as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Crazy things are happening. I think so as well. I mean, to be honest, it's just began and it's already got like 9 million raised. However, part of the reason many expect Tamadoge to perform is due to its usability in the NFT industry. That's correct, as well as the metaverse and play to earn capabilities, which will create an immersive, captive, replayable experience, which will keep the community coming back in for more and more. So Tamadoge is oozing with potential from the start, right from the start line, right, and all the way to the finish line, which will probably be in 2030 or something crazy, because the roadmap is a long-term vision. Despite all the hype, the pre-sales and the projected profits for its early investors, the project is not yet available in almost all exchanges. Therefore, the data on the price of pre-sale tokens is also not publicly available. Traders looking to buy into the project will have to wait until its launch. However, my Tamadoge price performance after it's launched expects it to be bullish, and I also expect the same thing to happen here, especially as we looked at a crypto pre-sale on this channel recently known as Battle Infinity, which did over a 700% increase, right? So I am excited to see similar results for this pre-sale, and I think we could be quite likely to see it. So yeah, Tamadoge, that's the one, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this. Are you going to buy into Tama? Are you steering clear? Do you think there's too many red flags? Personally, I'm in it already, so there's no going back. But yeah, I'm feeling super bullish about the whole ecosystem, the Tama army, the Tamaverse, the whole Tamadoge movement. I'm very, very excited. So stay tuned, watch this space, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts. Bye for now, guys.